Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Matic from Revolut to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut app and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. Security is key in the crypto world. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your Matic balance. Tap on it to select the option to send or withdraw. Next, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the Matic wallet. Remember, Matic is the token for the Polygon network. Copy your Trust Wallet address by tapping the Receive button and selecting Matic. This address is crucial, so don't mix it up with any other wallet. Now, back in Revolut, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Matic you want to send, but be mindful of any network fees. Revolut might use the Polygon network for this transfer, which is usually fast and cheap. Double-check the details, address, amount, and network, to prevent any errors. Once you're confident, hit confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometrics. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your Trust Wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Matic to appear, depending on network congestion. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, this should be quicker than ever. And there you have it. That's how you send Matic from Revolut to Trust Wallet. Always remember to use this on a secure network and consider the current market conditions. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.